Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello everyone, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope you are all doing very great and excellent by the mercy of Almighty Allah. And Alhamdulillah, I am also doing very well and very excellent in my English practice video making journey. And today I will share with you a very interesting part of my life. Yes, the topic is my hobbies. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the video with our main topic. So I have many type of favorite hobbies, right? So what is the hobbies and what is the hobby? The hobby means those activities that we love to do in our free time. So in your free time you can do anything that you love to do. This called is hobby or habits, good habits or hobbies you can say. So reading books, this is my most favorite hobbies. Like in my free time I love to reading books. Sometimes I reading Islamic books, sometimes I reading motivational books, sometimes I reading novel books, sometimes I reading many other type of books. It's dependent on the moment. So I reading books because reading books helps me to learn new thing and get closer to my success and to my Allah, because motivational book helps me to be a success and Islamic books help me to get closer to my Allah. And my another favorite hobbies is playing football. In my free time I love to do this because playing football make me more stronger, more healthy and more happy. So in my free time I love to do this. Yeah, I have another favorite hobbies, and that is sleeping. In my free time I love to sleep. At this moment I have no more time for sleeping because uh, I have so many work all the time, but I love sleeping. When I get free time and I have no work, I love sleeping. My another favorite hobbies is eating healthy food and healthy fruits. Healthy food, meat, it's very delicious and makes me more stronger. And fish, eggs, and any many type of vegetables I love to eat. And in my favorite fruit list, if I say mango, banana, pineapple, jackfruit, etc. All type of local fruits I love to eat. So this those are my good habits or good activities. And yeah, I was some bad habits and bad activities, but at this moment I have no bad hobbies or activities because I remove those bad thing or bad activities from my side, because they do not make me feel better, they do not make me feel happy. And good hobbies make me feel better. And my hobbies in my free time, when I doing my any favorite hobby, this is make me feel better, make me happy and help me enjoy my life in a better way. So you must have to choose good habits, not bad habits, right? Because your bad habits will make you sick. For example, if you make your good habits smoking, this is not helpful, this is not healthy, this is not good for you. So you have to choose your habits very carefully. and thank you so much for watching this video and listening to me. And I hope may Allah bless us, bless all of us with good and positive hobbies, and take care of yourself and do something good, and see you in the next video with another and interesting topic, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.